Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Show Writing Toolbar for S Pen to text on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, go down and tap on General Management. Next, we go down and tap on the Samsung keyboard settings. Swipe up to go down and tap on S Pen to text. In here, you want to turn on S Pen to text so that you can activate the Show Writing Toolbar at the bottom. Now you may need to swipe up to go down at the bottom, and in here tap on Show Writing Toolbar toggle button to switch it off or switch it on. Once it is on, we can bring up the toolbar by first going into a text box or an area where you can use the S Pen. Now I'm going to remove the S Pen from my device, and I'm going to start writing in this window. So let's start again. I'm gonna press on the enter key to have some space in here for me to write. So this is a test. Okay, so during writing you can bring up this toolbar. So this is the toolbar here, and with this toolbar I can use it to press on or tap on the spacebar. I can tap on the backspace key. I can bring up the on-screen floating keyboard. So this floating keyboard allows me to insert certain characters, for example, or I can choose to insert some key. Otherwise I can just continue to write. So you can also cross out the mistakes here. Alright, so you can use the S Pen to cross any mistakes or make any corrections on your device. And with this toolbar, you can tap on the keyboard here to close the keyboard. You can tap on the button to show the keyboard, close the keyboard. You can press on the enter key with this floating toolbar, and you can also insert emojis, GIF, animated GIF, images, and other icons. And then after you can tap on the set button. And that's it. So that is how you can so also this one here, you can move the floating keyboard around as well. And that is how you can show or hide this S Pen to text floating toolbar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.